Love spell, with, candle. Candles are a crucial feature of love spells. They act as a medium driving strong attraction between two people. For today's video, I'm going to present you a basic candle ritual to win the heart of your love interest. But firstly, please give this video a like and subscribe our channel. Now let's get started. Materials: 1. Pink or red 7-day candle. 2. Lighter. 3. Cinnamon, dried rose petals, and honey. 4. Bowl of water. 5. Sheet of paper and pen. Steps: 1. Do what you need to do to feel good in your body. 2. Rub the outside of the candle with any oil you have. 3. Light a new and unused candle. 4. Write your first name and the last name of the other person on the paper. 5. Draw one circle around both names. 6. Flip over and write out your desires or intentions for love. 7. Fold the paper toward you into a couple squares until it's flat. 8. Seal your intentions with a little kiss on the paper. 9. Let it sit under the candle. 10. Close your eyes firmly and envision the two of you together. 11. Get deep and visualize the love and happiness you will share. 12. Sprinkle a pinch of cinnamon and dried petals on top of the candle. 13. Drop 1 or 2 dollops of honey in the candle. 14. Repeat the following chant 3 times. Our fate is sealed. We are one, so mote it be. It is done. 15. Focus on the image in your mind. 16. Take your bowl and fill it with water. 17. Sit the candle in the water. 18. Place your intentions under the bowl. 19. Watch the candle until it burns out. 20. Place it somewhere it can remain undisturbed. 21. Call on your guides, spirits, ancestors, or whomever you feel drawn to. 22. Ask them to assist your intention of attracting love into your life. Afterward. 23. Let the candle burn out, safely. 24. Discard the candle once it's burned out. 25. Make sure to thank the candle for assisting you before you do. 26. Leave your intentions on your altar. Cautions. Cast this spell on a Friday night. Don't buy a large candle. Pat the candle to put out the fire, but don't blow it out. Repeat the spell for 7 consecutive nights. Candle spells make for very strong magic if your intentions are pure. If your love is pure and intentions are clear, this candle spell will get you the results you want.